Hello, everybody, and welcome back. We are on level 2 of lesson 1, Intro to App Lab. So, real quick, let's just take a look at the screen and see what we have here. We have our instructions, and so this is going to tell us what to do and how to do it. Over here, we have a preview window of our app, and then we have our version history. So, if we make a mistake or if we want to go back and try it again, we can click on this and go back to the initial. Um, and then this is an interesting button, the show text. So this will go between block coding, which is this right here, and if we click on this button, it will take us to text coding. And so just to be able to look and see the difference. For right now, we're going to stick with blocks. And so I'm going to take that back off and let's get into the actual directions. It says goal, make the screen green. So this one over here. How? Drag in a set property block. Use the drop downs to set the screen's background color to green, then hit run. So we're trying to make our screen look like this. Uh, this is the only one we have, so we're going to bring it over here. So set property, screen 1, which is this right here. Background color, yes, and then right now it's red. So if I press run, all right, that's what I'm going to get. That's not what we want though, so I'm going to reset it. And then I'm going to come in here and I'm going to click on green. I'm going to click run again. That looks like that. I think we've done it. So I'm going to click the orange finish button and I will meet you on level 3. Here we go.